Hey guys, Not So Average Builder here. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to use this, but it's not going to be for what you think. We're going to do a tool review. So I just picked these up. Let me open them up real quick. And pull these things out. Nothing else in there, okay. So we've got these. So I needed a good set of sanding sticks because all I had were those sanding discs, or not sanding discs, the sanding sticks that were really coarse grit. And yeah, they were causing a lot of issues. Too many scratches and not enough ways to get the fine scratches out because the micro mesh starts at 3600. So this stuff was good for finishing, but it wasn't good for getting the scratches out. So I needed to get a set anyway. So let's break these things open. So it starts with, adjust this. So you've got coarse grit, medium grit, fine grit, extra fine, and then the tri grit. And it's the shaping, buffing, and polishing. So, and there's even a super fine. I don't know what I've got in this kit. So let's open it up and we'll look, because I'm pretty sure it's posted on or printed on the stick themselves.
Do you love when packages don't want to come out? Oh my word.
Alright, let's see if I can get it from here. Yep. Okay. So we've got the Tri-Grit stick, which I had to destroy the packaging to get this. It's shaping, buffing, and polishing, so this is probably your buffing or polishing. I'm not really sure. And then we've got the coarse stick, the fine stick. Well, let's put these in order. Medium, fine, and extra fine. Move these to where we can see them. So I bought these on Amazon. They were like $8. Wasn't bad at all. Especially for everything that it came with. So let me get a piece that I'm going to work on, and we'll see how these things work. Be right back. Alright, so this is perfect. So I seam sealed the rifle, but I didn't have the proper grits to sand it off. So we'll start with coarse. It might be a little too much. Now this is the rifle from the Astray Red Frame. So we'll keep hitting this. Hit it with the fine. Now make sure that you don't use as much pressure as I did. It's been a long time since I've sanded many things, and I used way too much pressure, and that's why all those deep scratches are still in there even with the extra fine. So just keep that in mind. And just like that, it's one piece of plastic. So these are definitely really good. The only downside with this, I may have done too much with the coarse stick, but I might be able to fix that. Just keep going back through the grits. And then if I wanted to, I could hit this with the micro mesh and get this completely polished out. But I wanted to wait until these came in, because I just ordered them before I could do this video to finish out seam sealing. And then you can even go in with the micro mesh. And polish it out. Now, you can still see some minor imperfections, but as you can hear, there's a little bit left. So I'll go back with the fine and work my way through. So yeah. I mean, I'm going to paint this eventually, so I'm not worried about the scratches, but now it has turned into one solid piece of plastic. Where before, you could clearly see the gap, now there's nothing. And that's the benefits of using the extra thin cement, because it welds the polystyrene. So what comes out isn't glue, it's plastic. So once you sand it down, it's one uniform piece like it always was. Or like it was meant to be that way. So yeah, that's all for now. So yeah, I will, the link for these are in the description of the video. Like I said, they were like $8. Got them from Amazon. So go check them out. They're nice little sticks. They're soft foam and they work really well. So go check them out. Thanks, guys.